All right, you guys, so for lunch I'm just gonna have the same thing that I made last night, just a cream of shrimp soup, kind of, with the broccoli, peas, cauliflower, rice. I am just going to heat the rest of it up, and that is going to be my lunch. And then I don't know if I'm going to have dinner because I'm working night shift tonight, so we'll see. Okay, it's time for a snack. I'm just going to be eating some of these pork rinds that I had left over in a can Coke Zero. These are 7 ounce cans. Yeah, 7.5 ounce cans. So this is my first snack.
Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never, till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. So I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, did what I could do, now you're in my review. Yeah, hasn't always been this wrong or this bad. But after some time, I realized you and I were in the match. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never, till the afternoon, till the afternoon.
Okay, you guys, this bowl was so delicious and so filling that I did not need to eat anything else after this. This was so good.
'Cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, did what I could do, now you're in my review. Yeah. No turning back, so we know it wasn't all. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. No turning back, no, it wasn't
했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Say I will live fine. Hey, hey, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah. I miss you, baby. Yeah, yeah. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게, 기억나지 않게. Yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah. 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게, 기억나지 않게. 조금은 서툴렀던 그래서 더 생각나나 봐. 자꾸 뒤척이게 돼. 준비하지 못한 이별이라 그랬었나 봐. 수요일 밤이 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤이 기억나. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게, 기억나지 않게. Yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah. I miss you, baby. Hey, hey, yeah. 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게, 기억나지 않게.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can. Surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart.
Alright, you guys, that is going to be the end of this video, and I hope this gave you some dinner ideas for keto. This is so easy and so delicious. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you guys for sharing this space with me, and as always, I thank you for watching.